Hello there, I am here in my new backyard and I have my bestie Lauren here helping to put together a water fountain bird bath for me. And so I am loving living near her, and Cody's here. He's a little bit sleepy today. It's a nice warm day. And I just thought that I would update you a little bit. I still have a lot of decluttering footage that I'm not able to access right now. We are having a lot going on, which I'll probably share with you in the future, and I just haven't been able to access the files. My husband's gonna work on that. So what you've been getting the past few weeks in the videos that I've been posting have been really old footage, if you haven't noticed. But today I was just gonna show you something new, and then we'll go back to the Maryland house decluttering. So this is my new garage. We didn't have a garage before. So this essentially is, I don't know, maybe 75% of what we moved, and I need to unpack it. The stuff in the back was already here, and the stuff over here doesn't fit, or I was trying to get it. Table and chairs, I left my table and chairs, actually I gave them to my friend Lisa, and so I found some free ones on Facebook Marketplace. But in any case, I've got a lot to go through, and I'm gonna have a garage sale because I talk about the container concept a lot. If I've got more stuff than can fit in the house, which like I said came fully furnished, then I have to get rid of something and just keep what I know I'm gonna use and not try to pack two household stuff in one household. I definitely have a lot of work cut out for me, but as you can see, I've got great help, and my baby is really a wonderful little baby. All babies are wonderful, but things are not as hard as I expected them to be. But plus, with like grandparents' help, my kids are over there now playing with their neighbor kids, and we've met every single neighbor. It's just such a welcoming place. In fact, when we were closing on this house, that neighbor over there brought over newborn diapers that her grandbaby grew out of, and within a week we had met all of the neighbors, so that's really cool. My friends that I knew from back when I was homeschooled and in high school and before, they brought meals and stuff when we had just moved and my baby was a month old. So we're definitely feeling really blessed, and I just wanted to show you an update of what's going on. And so you can recognize some stuff. I haven't found places for the things, and if I don't find places necessarily, like I said, it's going in the garage sale. So I've got some decorating and design projects that are coming up. I'm working on a bathroom design, not in my house, but actually a couple, and even a kitchen design project for some loved ones, and we're pretty busy with that right now. And so that's really why I'm still posting every other week, but after all this settles down, hopefully soon, I'll be able to post every week again. And thank you so much for being here and for subscribing. If you want to watch more videos about intentional creative living, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next video is up. But for now, it'll be every other Friday. So you want to say bye? Bye! Talk to you later.